guys, welcome back to another episode of Cars and Craftsmen. So this is going to be a 2 or 3 part series. I haven't decided yet. Depends on how long it takes to make the doors. We're going to make some rustic barn doors for this heater room here. This was kind of a temporary solution that ended up being a year or two here. It obviously doesn't look that nice, so we're going to make some rustic barn doors. So the first episode is going to be trimming out the doorway to make the doors. Then the second video will be the doors, and if it doesn't take too long, then I will also hang the doors in the second video. If it takes too long, then we'll definitely make a third video for hanging the doors. So if I can show you how to do all of that. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something from it on how to trim out the doorway before we go ahead and make the doors and then proceed to hang them. So stay tuned. In about a week or two I'll be posting a second video of how to go ahead and make the rustic barn doors. Hopefully you can learn something from that as well. I'll be using some different techniques that I've learned along the way, and then hopefully we can hang them in the second video, time permitting. So stay tuned in the next week or two for that video coming your way.